Bench dogs. So many to choose from. Which ones are right for you? Well, today I'm going to go through a few of these and tell you what I think and how I use them. Everything you see here is made by TSO. A major part of the Smart Woodshop is the Smart Bench and the Smart Station. Both benches are designed with 20mm holes at a 96mm spacing. Everything is a mirror image. The bench itself is a multiple of 96mm long and 96mm wide. No matter how you come at these holes, you're gonna get perfect symmetry, squareness, a perfect 45 through there. It's just something you can depend on and use for so many different things. One of those things is bench dogs. These are tools that will fit in those 20mm holes, either individually for a purpose or combined together for another purpose. TSO makes a standard fit and a close fit. Standard fit is 19.9mm, which fits easily in the 20mm, gives you a little bit of tolerance. The other one is their close fit. This is a 19.98. The way to quickly identify a standard fit versus a close fit is by looking for this double ring. The double ring indicates close fit and no ring indicates standard fit. And in addition to fit, there's the collar. So this has a double collar. You see these all here, and that is this double thick collar that sticks up above the 20mm hole. The other design is called a chamfer dog. It has this very small chamfered ring on the outside that drops in and stops the dog from going all the way through. And with these bench dog holes having just a very small chamfer around the top, that drops down below the surface. Whether we're looking at standard fit, close fit, chamfer dogs, or double collar dogs, there are different heights. So tall ones, medium-sized ones, and then short ones that just have the double collar sticking above the top of the surface. Most all of the dogs have a tapped hole through the bottom to do a firm attachment through the bench, so you can take one of their speed knobs and snug that down. For the Smart Woodshop to work, I depend on accessories going on top of the bench and being held down. That's true for the extensions on the miter saw, the router tables, the wood vise. All of the accessories that work with the system depend on a dog like this that would be flush on the top when it's through, and then firmly attach it to the bottom using a speed knob or the smaller knob option. There's another option to hold down all the accessories, and I'm using right now 10 of them, and that's these bench dogs right here. These are power lock dogs. They drop all the way through, flush with the top. You do not need a knob to hold them down. They all work from the top. A 5mm wrench spun from the top takes this tine and brings it up and sandwiches it tight. And again, that's how I hold all of my accessories on. Made by TSO, distributed by TSO. It's a TSO product, but it was designed by one of the Smart Woodshop fam, the TSW team, David Reisinger. This is my go-to. I have 20 of these, and I highly recommend them. They're solid stainless steel, every bit. The bolt, the nut, it's all stainless steel. It is a beautiful piece. And they also have stops like this that combine using bench dogs. These drop in with the chamfer, close fit. I use 2 of the tall dogs for the Smart Crosscut. I always keep between 2 and 4 of these double collar, the ones that are just above the surface, nothing sticking above. And these work either directly on the bench or on any of the accessories above the bench when I need a stop. And really anywhere you can see the possibilities and why these holes and these dogs work so well. Far superior to having any kind of dedicated clamping system like putting in T-track and clamps to go on those. Those are great, but you've got to put them somewhere and you're limited working there. These, you got any angle, any position. They can go right up to the edge of the bench, out to the middle. You can have stuff going on in different locations. Think about the kind of work you do and just pick out a small selection. Really recommend the these double collars, maybe about 4 of those. And if you're using the smart system, get as many power locks as you can justify. I guarantee once you start using these, you're going to add more anyway. They're having a sale now, so you can save a little bit. I will put a link in the description of the video down below. It's an affiliate link, so they will pay us a little bit for each bench dog or any TSO product that you buy. But that's all they do. They do not pay me to make these videos. They do not ask me to make these videos. They do not see these videos before you do. This is all about how I work, and I'm sharing it with you. Also, if you want to get a set of plans to build a smart workbench, a smart station, the smart cart it's all about mobility, or the smart wood shop, any of those plans or the accessories, there's a link in the description of the video down below. You go there, purchase the plans, or package of plans, and within minutes, you will get an email from us 24/7, 365. The robots never sleep. And you can click on a link in that email and download the plans instantaneously. You get to beam them right into your computer. Mahalo.